This is the Vintage Coach Mini Watson bag, style number 6606 in the color black. And this bag was made in China in the year 2002. So like the name suggests, it is a mini bag, and it does have a crossbody strap. And as you can see, it has a front turn lock closure. So here's what the front looks like, and I'll open it one more time and show you it does have a little small slip pocket here under the front flap. And then here's what the sides look like, and then here's the back. And then I'll open it and show you it has one other pocket along the inside. So it's got these two small little pockets. And then of course the Coach Creed is back there along that back pocket like usual. Here's a close-up photo of it as well so you can see it a little bit better. So that's the mini Watson bag. It's pretty small, as you can see. This is a good option if you just want to carry a couple of essential items and you want something that's going to be pretty lightweight, not very big or bulky, and something that you can wear as a crossbody. So yeah, I think this would be a good option for that type of circumstances. And this bag is available now in our online store, so I will leave the link below just in case you wanted to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.